sunflowers, snowflakes, honeycombs, river deltas, leopard spots. They look completely different, but underneath, nature uses only 7 mathematical patterns. Let me show you all of them. The math of beauty. 7 patterns that build everything alive. Pattern 1, Phyllotaxis. The golden angle. Every seed in a sunflower turns 137.5 degrees from the last. That single rule produces the perfect spiral packing you see here, with 0 gaps and 0 overlap. Pattern 2, Hexagonal Packing. Bees solved a math problem we couldn't formally prove until 1999. Hexagons use less wax to enclose more space than any other shape that tiles. Watch them form themselves. Pattern 3, Fractal Branching. Trees, lungs, rivers, lightning. All branching systems follow the same rule. At each fork, split into 2 smaller copies of yourself. Self-similar at every scale. Pattern 4, Reaction-diffusion. The Gray-Scott equation, discovered in 1984, paints leopard spots, zebra stripes, and the markings on tropical fish. 2 chemicals, 1 rule, infinite biology. Pattern 5, Diffusion-Limited Aggregation. Particles bumping randomly, sticking to whatever they touch. This is how snowflakes form. This is how river deltas grow. This is how lightning finds its path. Pattern 6, Voronoi Tessellation. Pick any spot, find the closest seed point. That's how cells in a giraffe's coat are mapped. That's how dragonfly wings are veined. The geometry of nearest neighbor. Pattern 7, the Logarithmic Spiral. Galaxies, nautilus shells, hurricanes, sunflower seed heads. All follow the same equation, radius equals e to the angle times a constant. The most efficient growth curve in nature. 7 patterns. Every living thing built from one of them. If math is the language of the universe, biology is its most beautiful poem. Subscribe for more visualizations, and let me know which pattern blew your mind the most.